So we're finishing up this detail. We are gonna help out this family. This is a mom of 3. She's got 3 girls. This is a kid car. This was in for the Katiba ceramic coating. I'm gonna finish this off by vacuuming, cleaning it, and then I'm gonna top everything with GYEON PURIFY coat. This is like an antimicrobial coating, so it's not a ceramic coating. There is SiO2 in it, but that just kind of acts as like a carrier, I believe, so it helps to like cure. Should last 12 months. We'll clean the seats, put it on all the surfaces, and again, it helps to slow or prevent bacteria growth. I don't know if GYEON has stats out yet. I believe they're going to have stats out if you do want to dig into it. For now, we're gonna have to take their word for it, but they have a whole line of like GYEON like Purify, which is interesting. So they have Purify Maintain, so that's meant to be paired with this this coating. The interior quick detailer that they have has alcohol in it, so it's not advised to use with Purify coat because this will like strip the coating. But their interior quick detailer, you know, if you don't want to use any of this and you just want to use the interior quick detailer, it actually does kill. It says literally, it says 99% of removes 99% of bacteria. So look guys, whether you have kids or not, or it's cold and flu season, which I'm filming this in December of 2024, this could be a really cool product to keep in your car. Just so, you know, or if you have someone in your car that was sick, you can wipe this down versus just using traditional alcohol, which can be bad and dry out your, you know, your seats. This was specifically formulated for cars. Really cool product. The interior quick detailer there, odor remover. This actually works. As you can see, I've used about half the bottle. I sprayed this on, you know, I washed our dog bed and then it still kind of had a little funk to it. So I sprayed this on the bed, totally removed the odor. Absolutely incredible. The odor remover is a real sleeper. Odor pads, they come in a 4-pack. They're really interesting. This car actually doesn't smell, which is pretty cool. But I might leave them a pad kind of like under the seat, just so it'll absorb any odors that if it does come with them. All right guys, so we're gonna get into it. We're gonna clean. I haven't decided. I might try and use the quick detail spray to see how well it cleans. These are kid seats, so these are kind of gnarly. Real quick, shout out to all the moms out there. Shout out to the moms with their kid wagons. This is a nightmare. I don't have kids yet, and I'm terrified. And it's not even that dirty. So we're gonna clean it. We'll see if the quick detailer does it. If not, we'll switch to something a little bit stronger. We're gonna get after it. First, we're gonna do a vacuum, and then we'll hit it. We'll do the full clean. Stick around. All right, guys, we're going in. We'll see if this quick detailer can do the Lord's work here. Whew. Definitely got some alcohol to it, but at least we know we're killing germs. Got some 365 here's. These are called the Jobbers from Thor. Perfect task for this towel, in my opinion. Well, I don't know. This one might call for the dirty job towel, but yeah, it flashes off. And I mean, it's like staying there, but then when you wipe it, it does flash well. So this is nice. Yeah, we got off all the sticky unknown residue. So that's chill. I like that. Also low key, guys, like for really dirty cars where I know I'm going to be spraying a lot of product. I actually like to use these. These are drying towels. This is Auto Fiber. This is just their black drying towel. I'll link to it below. It just holds a lot more water, or sorry, liquid, I should say. And it just kind of goes a little bit further than your standard microfiber towel. So I'm actually gonna pivot to this one and continue to wipe everything down. So I'll come back to you when I'm ready to coat with GYEON Purify Coat. But yeah, these are, oh man. This stuff's pretty cool. I would check it out, especially if you want something that actually kills bacteria. So pretty legit. Oh, low-key, I use it on some glass inside. It works pretty good on glass. I'll show you. Fingerprints here. The only thing is they could work on their spray pattern. This is on the fan setting, and that's like, it's pretty streamed. So that would be my only piece of feedback there. But overall, the product is, does GYEON, can you guys let me know, does GYEON have their own dedicated glass cleaner? Because this is pretty legit. I might, uh-oh, Built Hamber Traceless. Better watch out. Like seriously guys, like this flash just now, like, this was like, it was like Traceless vibes, like. Totally clear. That's pretty nice. All right, I'm gonna knock this out, then I'll come back to you with the Purify Coat. I'm out. We're back. So, we've got our GYEON Purify Coat here. This is a banger, dude. 100 ml bottle. This is huge. So we'll look at our instructions. So it obviously talks about cleaning and prep is super important. Use generous amount. Make sure your surface is completely clean, starting application. Use generous amount of product. You can apply with microfiber applicator as well. Ensure even application. Let the product dry. Wipe possible remaining. If you notice uneven application, reapply over it. So if you get a high spot, reapply. It's literally that simple. So this is actually can work on like material as well, supposedly. Just as all interior surfaces. So we'll give her a go. Again, like I think this is really cool. Again, this is a family car. This is for anyone, but like, you know, there's 3 kids. They've got, you know, kids are always sick, bringing home stuff from school. So I think this is a cool option if it actually kills bacteria, right? Like, why not? Or if it prevents bacteria growth. So I'm gonna do a generous amount, like it says, because again, we have 100 mLs, and I'm just gonna apply it. So, okay, so it goes on like, you know, it's wet, right? Like, it has a wet appearance, but it should dry matte according to the instructions, or I should say the website. So again, we're putting this on here, right? Like, all this is gonna hopefully do is, you know, prevent bacteria, right? Or maybe slow the growth of bacteria. For anyone that's a scientist or a chemist or something that understands how, you know, any of these like antimicrobial coatings work, please chime in. I seriously doubt it could like stop bacteria, but maybe it does slow the growth. So maybe that's an option. I want to put this in the high touch areas. Doing it on the seat actually isn't really the most beneficial. So I'll finish the seats obviously, but I'm gonna put it on the steering wheel. I'm gonna put it on the door cards, the door handles, all the high touch areas, and hopefully this will maybe prevent some bacteria growth. So steering wheel goes on really smooth. Yeah, I mean, it's like if you've ever, it couldn't be easier, guys. I don't know what else to say about the application. So I'll come around and make sure it's touched up, but I'm putting it on like the wood trim here, the buttons, and then I'm seeing like on the seat, it's already flashed off. It's already matte. So really cool. So, you know, hey, I think it's worth a flyer. I don't know the price. I'll put it up on the screen when I'm editing. You can get this at Carzilla. FD5 will save you 5% if you're in Canada. I don't think they ship GYEON to the US. I don't have an affiliate link for the US, but I'll link to it anyways for you guys to grab it. I'm gonna actually coat the inside, the top layer of my car with this. look, if it'll kill bacteria, it'll kill bacteria. So I think it's well worth it. And so we'll keep going. Right, like the whole thing is like, it couldn't hurt, right? If this did absolutely nothing, which again, GYEON is such a reputable, huge company, I like highly doubt this would do nothing, right? I'm sure they've done plenty of research. And again, I trust these companies till they give me a reason not to. GYEON's never given me a reason not to trust them. So I'm literally just putting it on all surfaces here. And we should be good to go. So hope you guys found this valuable, but I'm gonna put this on, again, everywhere they touch. But yeah, guys, I think this product's really cool. Their whole line of products are cool. And then I'm gonna leave them the bottle of PURIFY Maintain. I'm just gonna give that to them because I don't want them using a stronger cleaner. That's just gonna effectively just strip this. So PURIFY Maintain will help kill bacteria, and you'll be able to keep this initial coating on for the full 12 months. And then it's basically like, think of PURIFY Maintain. One, it's a cleaner, but two, it also continues to kill bacteria. So it's like a topper for your coating, right? So if you do that every couple months or however often as needed, in theory, you should be able to keep kind of bacteria growth to a minimum and have a clean, safe car with it. Guys, I hope you enjoyed it. If you have questions, drop them in the thread about Purify Coat. I'm sure GYEON will be able to chime in and answer any questions. Again, I had asked Blair, who I've been chatting with from GYEON USA. He said there should be some data coming soon on like the antimicrobial properties or how long it actually blocks, et cetera, et cetera. So stay tuned for that. But again, please, if you have questions, drop them in the thread. If you enjoyed this video, please consider giving it a like and subscribe. And, you know, we'll catch you guys in the next one. Thanks, guys.